Good morning guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here in Twin Falls Resort Park and we are gonna check out if we can find the two falls that are located here. But we haven't really seen signs for it. And they are called seasonal waterfalls, so the best time of the year to come here is during spring and winter time. Hopefully we can see these two falls and let's see what we can do here. Tag along with us today and we'll take you to our trip.
I have a new account on Stubble, guys.
Okay, cool. We are on our way to see the two falls, the Marsh Fork Falls and then the Black Fork Falls. Well, it says paved to go to Marsh Fork Falls and we just need to eat lunch first, but I think it is like 1.25 miles one way.
If we're getting the other video, then we may want to take lunch with us.
That's fine with me.
Why is my thing not
Because there's nobody here right now. Somebody could come in 10 or 30 minutes.
Okay. We're gonna pack our lunch and then we'll start walking. Does that sound great?
Sounds good.
Okay.
Good job.
Oh, I look weird. My hair a little.
There's the letter D.
You guys ready?
I think those are rapids, buddy.
You ready? I
Sammy?
think this must be the
I was
path.
just
So I think going to Marsh Fork Waterfalls is paid. Now you can hear the sound of the rapids down there. It's a little creek. So since the first waterfall is paved, we are going to take our little stroller. Yellow signs. Oh yeah, that's a falls trail, Eli. That's the trail to go to the falls. That's the signs that we're going to follow to see the waterfall.
Wow.
Oh, those are rapids, buddy.
Oh, I will have to check in. So this is probably where the first fall is.
Sounds like that.
We can go down there to see it. There it is. This is the Marsh Fork Falls.
I got the buddy.
Yeah,
I got you.
that's it. That's pretty. Okay, we should go down there. Hold on, hold on. What? The leaves?
No, this one.
Okay, come on, baby. Hi, waterfall.
Hi. Hi.
Twin Falls Resort State Park was named for Marsh Fork Falls and Black Fork Falls found on park grounds.
I stepped on a stick and it broke.
The park was built on 3,776 acres of land donated in 1964 by the Western Pocahontas Corporation and Pocahontas Land Corporation. These falls can be viewed from the 1 Mile Falls trail loop within the park. Marsh Fork Falls and Black Fork Falls tend to dry up during the warmer months, so be sure to visit them after a little rain or in the spring and winter seasons. The lush shrubs around us are rhododendron. In the Appalachian Mountains of eastern North America, rhododendrons can be found in both the United States and Canada. These mountains provide a diverse range of habitats, from low-lying valleys to high-elevation peaks where rhododendrons thrive. This is a rocky terrain. It reminds me of sandstone, Sammy. Must be it.
Is this it?
Well, definitely louder. You want a picture? That's where we came from. And now we are seeing the Black Fork Waterfall. To go up. It's a little steep going up here, but I think going down is a little harder because there's some stick spots, but going up so should be easy. Okay, we ready, guys?
Yeah. Wow. Good job, Sammy.
You're getting better, Sammy. Yeah. Yes, you just saw that waterfall.
This way?
This way.
No. There's a big one, but it's like right down there.
What do you think of this waterfall, Sammy?
Good. It looks like, it does look like a fork. But they were all white.
Right.
There was like a black fork and it was a white fork instead.
Yeah, this is an ankle twister trail for some people.
Take it. Waterfall.
So we are gonna try to figure out what are we going to do next, because from the looks of it we could go to another waterfall this afternoon depending on how far it is from here. Is it? That's rapids, buddy.
Those are rapids, buddy. I see the fall you're talking about.
The Marsh Fork Falls is a wide waterfall located within Camp Creek State Park in Mercer County. It is located along Marsh Fork, which empties into Camp Creek, which empties into the Bluestone River. It is a short walk from the parking lot, but also accessible by trail. Are you ready? You want to see it?
Look, you're in the sky. I'm able.
This scenic 12-foot waterfall is an easy access from the parking lot. It is family-friendly but also has trail access. It flows strongest in spring and heavy rains, but visible all year. The stream is shallow for wading and quiet visits. Marsh Falls is one of the easiest waterfall access that we have seen and definitely kids-friendly. We just let our kids play by the water and throw rocks in it, and they really had a blast. So definitely this is a kids-friendly waterfall trail in West Virginia. I really like this waterfall.
Dad, look at the fish. Look at the fish for my fish sculpture. Triangle one or the square one?
Have you learned how to make a rock skip yet, Sammy? Add a little and get it spinning really good.
This waterfall is inside the Camp Creek State Park and Forest.
Eli.
And this is really a pretty
Yeah, you have to use the flat
waterfall.
rock. You could
So
make
if you
them
guys
skip if
are
you were
here
good.
in this area,
This would be better.
then it's worth checking out. We are still gonna check out the Campbell Waterfall also here in
I'll show
Camp
you.
Creek State Park and Forest.
Eli, you make them skip across the top of the water. Hey, Eli. Oh, very pretty.
That was the next one. Mommy, no. There we go.
We are gonna see the waterfall.
Gonna catch up with Mommy?
So mostly they are pretty prominent during wintertime and spring if there are more rain.
Let's go up.
You're gonna run?
Hey, Sammy, slow down, buddy.
Sammy, slow down.
Yeah. Hey, waterfall.
Where? Loud.
Is there a waterfall?
Campbell Falls can be found within Camp Creek State Park and Forest in the mountains of Mercer County. With a multitude of shelves, all 15 feet of these cascades pour into an oval pool, the perfect location for fishing or swimming in warmer weather. We've got to see, how many pools did we see today, Eli?
3, 4, 3 or 4.
4! We saw 4. Very steep.
There's
Yeah.
a big hill.
Yeah.
And I did 4.
So we will let the kids play for a little bit.
Hi. Hi.
Hey, buddy.
I'm going down a bit.
I think we are ending our vlog here at the playground of Camp Creek State Park and Forest. Today we had seen 4 waterfalls. We've seen 2 waterfalls at the Twin Falls Resort State Park. Those are the Marsh Fork Waterfalls and the other one is Black Fork Waterfalls. And then after spending probably a couple of hours there, we came here at the Camp Creek State Park and Forest. and we saw two waterfalls also, the Marsh Waterfalls and the Campbell Waterfalls. Those 4 waterfalls are must see here in West Virginia, and I think we're planning on coming back here to really go camping, because I think both the Twin Falls Resort State Park and the Camp Creek State Park and forests are open year-round, weather permitting. Thank you for watching our videos, guys, and tagging along with us today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you consider to subscribe to our channel, that'd be great, so you can see our future videos with waterfalls or camping in state parks. Until next time, bye.